Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply free shipping when product from specific category added in cart page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page, and then you see product from two different category: candle category, ceramic category. Now you see, and then you see shipping method, flat rate, free shipping. So you can create free shipping method in shipping zone first. Now you see we created. So we have two shipping method. So when we are going to add product from specific category in cart page, then free shipping apply. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So after we are going to add custom code, then we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping cache, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. And then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So in custom code we are going to add product category slug, specific product category slug, and then we are going to add shipping method value. So we are in custom code, and then you see specific category slug candles. So you can add category slug according to requirement. Now go to product category page. Now you see name and slug. Now you see candles we are using in custom code. Now back to code. So you can add category slug. Now you see candles, and then scroll down. Now you see free shipping colon 28. So this is our shipping method, ID or value of free shipping. So you can find it using inspect element. Now go to cart page. Now you see free shipping. Right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open, and then you see input type radio. Now you see value of free underscore shipping colon 28. Now you see, so you can add shipping method ID or value according to requirement. Now back to code. Now you see free underscore shipping colon 28. Again you see same value added here in 4 location. Now you see, and then you see specific category slug candles. So you can add slug in 2 location. Now you see, and then scroll down, you see message, congratulations, you qualify for free shipping. And then you see again message, free shipping is not available. So you can customize this message according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So after that we are going to remove WooCommerce cache, shipping cache. Now you see snippet created and saved. Now go to WooCommerce shipping zone. Now you see flat rate, free shipping we created in shipping zone. Now disable both, and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to enable both again. Now click on it and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to cart page again. Now close it. Now refresh the page. So we added category slug candles. Now you see message, congratulations, you qualify for free shipping because we have product from candle category. Now remove it to check. Now you see message, free shipping is not available. Now you see flat rate, free shipping hide. Now click on undo. So after that we are going to place order to check. Again you see free shipping, and then click on proceed to checkout. So you can add category slug and shipping method value or ID in custom code. So we are in checkout page, and then you see shipping, free shipping. Now select payment method, enable this option, and then click on place order. Now you see order placed done. Thank you, your order has been received. And then you see shipping method, free shipping. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.